What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Starting off this video a little bit differently just to clear a couple things up. While my hand is still healing, I'm just sort of digging up any content that I can find to keep my weekly uploads consistent. The footage you're about to watch is actually going back in time to when I worked with my friends Jared and Reese at Joker Auto Performance, going back to before I wrecked the kouki. The video goes over installing the MAZWORX SRVG adapter kit. This kit allows you to use the VG30 transmission with the SR20 engine. We never actually uploaded this anywhere, so although it's not quite as in-depth as some of my more recent stuff, I think it still has some useful information and might still be enjoyable for some of you guys to watch. So yeah, if you guys are in the Jacksonville area and you're looking for anybody who's skilled and knowledgeable in these older Nissan cars, or even just need some maintenance work done on your more modern vehicle, hit up my friends Jared and Reese at Joker Auto Performance. I'll leave information on how you can get in contact with them in the description below. But yeah, I guess that about sums it up, guys. So let me know what you think about the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. My SR20 has been through its fair share of transmissions. Today we're going to remedy that. Here we got the MAZWORX SR to VG transmission kit. The first part of this kit's already complete. You take off the bell housing, send it in, and they machine it for the plate. Included with the kit is the plate, the machine work, the transmission cross member, and a shifter, as well as a drive shaft over here.
Oh yeah.
Yep. So, we're just going to jump right into getting this thing in the car. First things first, we gotta put the bell housing back on. So we're gonna get right to it.
Yep.
So we gotta get the surfaces clean on this thing. We're gonna use a light amount of RTV up top. We've got it on 2 blocks of wood here, and that keeps the input shaft from making contact with the ground when we put this thing back together. We're just gonna do a very light coat of RTV.
No, that's not right. Gleep glop. Give him a good show, guys.
Like this.
There we go. Oh Jesus.
Watch your hand. Are we on the... Something's crooked.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna rotate some.
Let's take a look at that.
There we go.
Yep.
Alright.
I'd have thunk you done that before. My favorite part. Okay. Beautiful sequence. One o'clock? Nice.
I am worried about a torque pattern on that thing. It'll be fine. Now that we got the bell housing mated back up, we're going to throw this plate in. These snap rings can be a little tricky because they don't have holes like standard snap rings. But I'm going to try it. It's going to be kind of hard to record in here, but I'm going to try. So we got this edge started. We can kind of pull this out.
Light's too intense.
There it is.
And that's how you snap ring, folks. blah, clean. All right, let's go. Let's see, it's already got the light for us.
First thing you do when you're pulling a trans is get the shifter out. So that's what we're gonna do.
For this car.
First.
Nope.
I like to pull the shifter first, because why put the car in the air?
I'm just. You're supposed to drain it while running.
Show us how you manhandle. Oh, that was easy. 4 bolts.
It's an ISIS V1. It's like their first.
Did you paint it?
design. No.
Let me get that so I can complain about it.
Yo, it's in 4th gear. It's so bad. You can have it, man.
Sick.
He just
This
gave me the fucking MAZWORX shift knob. It's like a weighted shift knob.
Is it the adjustable one?
No.
Oh.
I don't think so.
I got my Nismo shift knob. It's cool. The worst smell in the world. I would
Get away from me! Don't pass that over
I would
me.
scrap a whole car.
No.
Oh, one of your springs is on the ground, man. Here.
Because of gear oil.
That's not supposed to happen.
Whoa.
Okay. Yeah, if you look in there, you can see where it's broken, but you'll see it in a sec.
Yeah.
That sleeve? How many of those sleeves have you been through?
That'll be the second one I broke.
That's gnarly, dude.
I really hope I don't break this one.
What's the throttle bearing sleeve?
Yeah.
All right.
I didn't know you could break that.
Neither did I.
The worst smell in the world. That's what I was saying. Oh.
Oh, and it ratchets? That's a cool one.
It's Harbor Freight.
That's fucking sweet.
They don't sell these ones anymore because they're kind of trash.
They're probably someone goes to break shit loose and they're breaking teeth on it.
Yeah.
Oh, get away from me. Did you just get gear oil on your gloves?
Trevor gets everything on the gloves. That's normal.
Transmission?
I've replaced this. I've replaced this before, so that's pretty bad.
You smell horrible.
Hi, puppy.
Cut this whole fucking thing in half, man.
Hi, puppy.
Is this stainless whole can?
Yeah.
The one that was bent?
We go?
Yeah, I guess.
We go?
We're gonna go ahead and pull the trans out of the S14. We're not gonna go over all the small details. It's pretty straightforward in these cars, but we're just gonna fast forward to dropping that thing out of there.
I don't know. All right, and it only took 17 seconds. Here we are.
Yeah, these things are easy, man. They come right out.
No, it literally didn't even take that long. Willie didn't even move. He's been there this whole time. Get out of there. Here.
Nothing. I was just really hoping this bearing was still good because this is the only bearing I can use with my clutch. But yeah, there's the sleeve inside the sleeve. I'm gonna have to hammer it out. Look at all the metal that's been eaten up.
Oh, jeez. Oh, right on the mechanic's gloves.
Yeah,
Damn.
sheared right. I don't know why it does that.
Why does that do that? Somebody tell us. Nissan. Okay, so the issue with Trevor's car right now is that under here, on this side, we are hitting the exhaust with the plate. So we're shaving the plate. Alright, this boy's got the Blitz active clutch with the MAZWORX SRVG.
Yeah, this thing's old school, man. So yeah, we got the SRVG plate bolted up the starter. We're gonna start working on getting the new trans in right now. And yep, so we're gonna slap that thing in.
Beefy boy, skinny boy. Alright.
Yeah, seeing them side by side, there's a big difference.
Shit. Alright, quick update after the batteries died. The trans is in, man. Go Trevor.
Yeah.
Looks good, right?
Look at how centered that is on the shifter.
I know. Like right above, the holes are literally dead on.
Yeah, we're on the final stretch now. Alright, this is it. We got our one-piece drive shaft in. We got the good old VG trans. It's been a long night, but we got it done.
Oh yeah. In there. Should be beefy. Let's take it to the streets.
Take it on the drive.
Yeah.
See what this thing can do, man.
Nice crisp 60s today.
Oh, it's nice
today. Yeah, man. We're gonna boogie. Solid, dude.
Bro, the shift. It's nice.
Fuck yeah.
It almost feels like a quicker shift. First impression. It's definitely smoother. Definitely not smoother. I was kind of hoping it would be, but it's definitely not smoother. The shifter feels 100 times better than my other shifter, but I can feel so much more of the engine because of the one piece.
Yeah.
I can feel so much more of the road, and when I do a pull, it just feels so much more aggressive. Even though I know I'm not really going faster.
Hell yeah. And that wraps up this episode of Trevor's S14 build. Catch you later.